settling up in Nepal, we took a place to stay. I was so tired with the van, and it was so hot, so we decided to take a AC room, and it was a good choice. So now tomorrow we are planning to leave to Pokhara, and Rosie and Milo is chilling. We were about to buy some grocery, and this is the road, and I think it's just 10 minutes from here, but again the road is shitty. Anyway, so tomorrow morning we'll leave to Pokhara. Then there is no issue about the weather and temperature, so it's kind of very chill there. And we might also plan to camp somewhere.
It doesn't feel good. Can you keep on? Focus on driving.
I'm focusing on driving. What do you think I'm doing? So yeah. I have some work to do, and Rosie is busy cooking food, the breakfast. Hope it turns out good. Rosie, you good? You only have very less storage. On the way to Pokhara, we had to change the tires on the way, and very shitty road, but
Not that shitty.
kind of shitty. So today we'll get the solar and all everything fixed up and running. Tomorrow we are planning to get it painted. So yeah, from tomorrow it will be 100% complete. Also, we were planning to buy some curtains. So we made a quick stop. Few items we planned to buy. We made a quick stop to have some food, chow mein. So we'll get going quick. It's just 1 hour from Pokhara. Yep. Pokhara vibes are hitting us hard. Let me show you the view. Oh, this truck is hiding a lot. So just minutes to reach. We're almost there. Stop it, Rosie. Havana. Finally, we made this dream possible by bringing the van to the place where we stayed. It's like the dream come true.
Oh, this shop is 15.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay.
So happy?
Yeah.
Milo is also happy because the border was so fucking hot, and this is just look at this.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
And also one exciting thing is we have a boat. We might try to swim inside, and yeah, we really like this place. See, just look at it. It has a vibe, right? So that's what we want, and it's chill, and I think it's about to rain, so we better get prepared. Yeah. We just stopped quickly to exchange some money, and we are planning to go to some hardware and get a few things fixed before we halt for the day. So yeah, Pokhara, man. So this is where we are planning to stay for some more time, and we might also be like painting the van and doing stickering. Rosie is back with some stupid reason.
They don't accept.
Then what to do?
Check the next one.
They throw Rosie out of the shop.
I asked her why, and she just nodded. shake her head.
Did you ask where they do it?
I don't know. I didn't ask.
Why, Rosie? You could have asked.
Why don't they like accept Indian rupees? I'm very confused. Where did you exchange?
I exchanged in the border. It started raining. The weather is absolutely stunning. We are still trying to exchange some money. I think Pokhara we are coming back for like 4th time, I guess.
I didn't see any exchange shop.
Money exchanger. Go. Wait, I'll ask. Brother? Brother?
There it is.
Finally made it to Pokhara after a lot of struggle. 30 days of waiting and building the van and driving. See this beauty. This beauty.
And more importantly, one does not necessarily need to throw out scientific and rational thinking in order to discuss, agree with, or benefit from the philosophy Spinoza builds from here.